Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating project, an SMS-powered large language model, LLM, system. It's all about automating responses to spam texts, but with a fun twist. Imagine a system that uses AI to generate witty, personalized replies to real estate spammers.
That sounds amazingly creative. So, how does this whole setup work? I'm particularly curious about the architecture.
Absolutely. The core is a clever combination of Android, MQTT, and an LLM server. Think of it like this. Unsolicited texts arrive on an Android phone. A gateway app forwards them via MQTT to an LLM server. The LLM generates a response based on a chosen persona, and that response is sent back to the phone via MQTT. It's a fully automated, two-way communication system.
Wow, that's elegant. The author used an existing Android app, Android SMS Gateway-MQTT, but modified it, right? What was the key modification?
Exactly. The original app only used MQTT for sending messages. Receiving was done via HTTP post. The author cleverly used Cursor.ai, an AI coding assistant, to modify the app to use MQTT for both sending and receiving, making the whole system much more efficient and streamlined. Pretty neat, huh?
Incredibly so. And the LLM server itself? How does it handle the conversation context?
The Python script on the LLM server is the brains of the operation. It listens for incoming messages, stores each conversation in a separate JSON file, and feeds the last N messages to the LLM for context-aware responses. This ensures that the AI's replies are relevant and coherent. It's all about maintaining conversational flow.
Brilliant! And the personalities, how does the author manage those?
That's where the fun really begins. The author uses Ollama, a LLM interface, to define different personas for the AI. They can easily switch between a college bro, a British gentleman, or any other persona they dream up. The flexibility is amazing. It's like having a whole cast of characters ready to respond to spammers.
I see. So it's not just about blocking spam. It's about engaging with it in a creative and humorous way. But there are legal implications, right?
You're right. The author acknowledges the legal gray area of agreeing to sell land they don't own. To mitigate this, they've instructed the models to never actually close on any deals. It's all about the entertainment value, not actual transactions. A responsible approach, I'd say.
Absolutely. And what about the potential for increasing spam? Doesn't responding to spam encourage more of it?
That's a valid concern. The author mentions that responding can warm up a number, making it more attractive to spammers. However, they counter this by reporting and blocking the numbers after they've had their fun. It's a calculated risk, a compromise between entertainment and responsible behavior, a very interesting ethical dilemma.
Fascinating. This whole project is a testament to the creative applications of LLMs. It's not just about productivity. It's about finding innovative ways to interact with the world around us.
Precisely. It shows how we can use technology not just for mundane tasks, but for playful, creative, and even slightly mischievous purposes. And that, my friends, is what makes this project so incredibly cool. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.